Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So one of the questions that I noticed on a previous video is how many forex pairs do you trade with? How many forex pairs do you trade with? So we're just going to quickly talk about that in this quick and a short video. Hopefully you can learn one or two things about how I trade and how you can also trade. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. That's how you are not going to miss any of our future videos. Like the video, that's how you motivate me to continue sharing these videos with you guys for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. All the information that I share on this channel is for free, including the robots courses, indicators, forex robots, and stuff like that that you can download using the links in the description box below. Everything here is for free, so visit those links and see if you cannot download what you are looking for. The broker that I use, the broker that I'm currently looking at right now, today is the 15th of September in 2022. So this is current chart on Euro USD 1 hour chart. I'm just waiting to see if we're going to break through here or if we're going to continue dropping. So the broker that I use, if you also want to match your charts with mine, the link is in the description box below. I've been with them for more than 5 years now, and I've not had any problems regarding deposits and withdrawals. So go ahead and sign up with them. For just $5, you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test your forex robots, your indicators, your strategies without putting too much money on the line. So go ahead and sign up with them. The link is in the description box below. Getting back to our video, how many forex pairs do I trade with? Personally, I trade with about five pairs. Uh, but my primary pairs are actually about three. Then I've got two which are my secondary pairs. Now, regarding how many forex pairs a person should trade with, I've seen many people making this mistake of trying to trade everything that their broker is offering them. Today they are trading CAD JPY. Tomorrow morning they are on to Euro NZD. The following morning they are on Euro versus South African Rand. The next day they are US dollar versus Singapore dollar, US dollar versus Ruble. The following day they are US dollar versus Mexican peso, and probably they are even doing that not even the next day, even on a same given day they are trading five charts, 10 charts, five forex pairs at once, 10 forex pairs at once. That's not how you make money in trading. You do not need you do not need to trade every pair that's offered by your broker in order to make money in trading. There are people who are trading one single pair. They've been trading it year in, year out, and they are way more profitable than people who are trading, like, say, 5 pairs, 10 pairs, and stuff like. It's the truth. It's the truth. The reason for that is currencies are like people. If you really begin to dig into them, currencies are like people. They've got their own behaviors, they've got their own tempers, they've got their own characteristics. uh, USD JPY is not the same as USD versus South African Rand. You find that USD moves a different way, behaves a different way to USD versus Mexican peso versus Turkish lira, or something like that. You need to understand how a pair moves, what moves it, what drives it, how it reacts to news, how it performs, and things like that. And you cannot do that just randomly picking pairs each and every day. That's not how you do it. What you want to do is, technically, you want to trade between 2 and 3 pairs, so that you just have a portfolio. Let's just say 2 to 4 pairs. So what you want to do is find pairs that you like. Find 4 pairs that you like, but really, if we're going to be strict, find 1 or 2 pairs that you like. 1 or 2 pairs that you like, that you can clearly understand their movements, that you can really understand what drives them, how they behave each and every day. Then you can focus on those. Then forget about everything else that is there. That's how you begin to see improvement with your trading. What you need with your trading is not 28 pairs. What you need to make money in trading is not trading 28 pairs every day. What you need in trading is a pair with liquidity. A pair with enough liquidity, with enough movement. That's all that you need. You just need a pair with enough liquidity, with enough volume per day. And Euro USD is one of the pairs that I found has enough liquidity and volume every day to do to see movement. Of course, there are going to be times when it's just going to be sideways like this, but it has deep volume in it. GBP USD. I'm not saying go and trade GBP USD. It's one of the pairs on my chart. It's certainly one of the pairs that moves every day. Some people prefer GBP JPY. It also moves. USD JPY, I also have it on my chart. I like how it's stable and how it moves. Some people prefer USD CHF. You can also have that. Then I also have gold. I have gold as well. Then time to time I also look at things like NAS 100, US 30, S&P 500. I do change the last pair. So my portfolio basically is up to 5 pairs, which is a lot. Trust me, it's a lot. I even admit that it's a lot. You don't need that much pairs in order to make money in trading. It's just that I found that sometimes I just need to diversify. That's why I have a portfolio of 5. Because sometimes there are instances like this where Euro USD has been like stuck on this parity thing. It hasn't been really giving me good movement on parity since it reached parity with the US dollar. So during this time, I've been focusing mostly on USD JPY, GBP USD, and on gold, and I think it's USD CHF, I think, as well. That's what I've been mostly focusing on, because Euro USD, I love it, but lately it's just been, since we came to parity, it hasn't been really my favorite pair. I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen with this parity thing. So technically, if you want to make money in trading, you only need 1 or 2 pairs. Find 2 pairs that are stable, that you believe are stable for you and have got liquidity. On a day, they have enough movement every day to give you some money in trading. That's all that you need. There are people who are just trading US 30 day in, day out, and they are making a lot of money. NAS 100 day in, day out, they are making a lot of money. GBP USD day in, day out, and they are making tons of money. GBP JPY, they are making tons of money just trading 1 pair, just trading 1 pair, because they are getting a pair that they understand, that they've studied, a pair that has enough liquidity and volume every day. That's all that you need. You don't need to trade the whole 28 pairs. Okay, like the video, subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.